In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Grok App. We'll keep it simple and safe by using Google to jump straight to the official store pages for both Android and iOS. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the legitimate listing without falling for lookalikes or risky download sites. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to google.com. Any modern browser works fine: Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and click into the address or search bar at the top so it's ready to take your query. You don't need to sign in to do this. In the Google search box, type the phrase "Install Grok App" and press enter. Keep the spelling simple, just those 3 words. This phrasing helps Google surface the official listings right away. If you see ads or unrelated results at the top, scroll a bit until you reach results from trusted domains. For Android users, look for the Google Play result. It will come from the play.google.com domain and display the app name, icon, and ratings. Click that Google Play link. This opens the official app page where you can read the description, check recent reviews, view screenshots, and confirm it's the genuine listing published through the Play Store. If you're on an iPhone or iPad, or you prefer to review the iOS listing, locate the Apple result labeled App Store, which appears on the apps.apple.com domain. Click that Apple link. You'll land on the official App Store page where you can verify details like the icon, for version history, and privacy information to ensure you have the correct app. A few quick tips as you review the pages. Compare the icon and screenshots across both stores for consistency, look at the most recent update date to gauge ongoing support, and skim reviews for red flags. Avoid third-party download sites altogether. The Play Store and App Store are the safest paths to manage this app on your device. That's it. By using Google to reach the official Google Play and Apple App Store pages, you skip the guesswork and go straight to trustworthy sources. Take a moment to verify the details on the page, and you'll be set to move forward on your device with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring.